Let's see how we can insert image in our numbers sheet. So this is a sample table where there is the list of roses or there different types of flowers here. So this is a column where we need to insert the image. At first we need to choose the image. So this is our pictures. Here I have all the pictures in this folder. So I want to insert the product image for each of this cell. So what we need to do? At first we need to select the image. So for example, this is pink rose. So here I see one pink rose is there. We just need to select it here and we need to drag it and drop inside this cell. And when you drag, you will see a green highlighted box will be appeared. You just need to release the image inside it, and very shortly you will see the image will be inserted here. In this way we can insert the other images also, like for example white rose. So I'm going to show you the same thing. So here I see there is an white rose. Let's see, is in white rose. I see there is no white rose. So there is an yellow rose. We can insert this one. So this is yellow rose. So I'm selecting it and dragging and dropping inside this cell. When the green highlighted box will be there, I'm going to release this image inside it, and very shortly it will be inserted. And that's it. In this way we can easily insert images inside our number sheet.